Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Maths. In this video, we will learn 11th lesson Statistic Practice Set 11.2. In your 7th standard children, you have studied simple bar graph and joint bar graph. These two you have studied, children. Today, children, we will study how to draw the subdivided bar graph. Subdivided bar graph is used to compare the information of given data. In a subdivided bar graph, information of two or more constituents is shown by a parts of a single bar. It means, children, when information is given about two or more components, we use only one single bar to represent that data. Okay, children. Now let's study subdivided bar graph. This is a graph paper, children. Everyone knows very well. And children, the vertical line is known as y-axis. And children, the horizontal line is known as x-axis. Okay, children. This one box, children, represent 1 centimeter. This 1 centimeter box contains 10 small lines. Practice set 11.2. Observe the following graph and answer the questions. Here, children, the graph is given. We have to study this graph. Afterwards, answer these questions. Okay, children. First of all, this horizontal line is, children, x-axis and this vertical line is the y-axis. On x-axis, children, women names is given Savita, Saroj, Varsha, Megha and Vaishali. Okay, children. On the y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 200 rupees is given, children. This one small box is, children, 1 centimeter. Okay. Now, this blue color portion is the savings in the month of April. Okay, children. And this white one saving in March. This is the, children, scale. It's the compulsory. Okay, we have to write when we are drawing the graph. Here, children, Savita's saving in the month of April is 600. And Saroj's saving is what, children? 400. And Varsha's saving is 400. Megha's saving, children, here what is there? 200. And Vaishali's saving is, children, 600. Okay. The blue one is the April saving and white one is savings in the March. Now, children, after this, we have to answer these questions. First one, children. State the type of the graph. This is, children, which type of graph is there? Yes, children, this is the subdivided bar graph because this single bar is divided into two parts. That's why this graph is known as, children, subdivided bar graph. So, first one answer, children, you have to write. You have to copy the question and answer in your maths notebook, children. First one, subdivided bar graph. Okay, children. Now move to the next question. How much is the savings of Vaishali in the month of April? What is the saving of Vaishali, children, in the month of, yeah, children, April? What is there? 400, right? So we write the answer, children, here. The savings of Vaishali in the month of April is rupees 600. Yeah, children, you have to write the full statement. Now, next, third one. How much is the total of savings of Saroj in the month March and April? Okay, children. Here, what is the question, children? What they asked? Saving of Saroj, March and April. So, here, children, this blue one is the April and this white one is the March. So, what is the total here saving, children? Rupees 800. So, our third question, children, answer will be here. The total savings of Saroj in the month of March and April is rupees 800. Okay children, you have to copy this answers. Now move to the fourth one. How much more is the total savings of Savita than the total savings of Megha? What is the children Savita's saving total? 1000. And what is the Megha's saving children total? Here see 600 and 400 in the middle it is there. It means it is a 500. Okay, total saving of Megha is what children? 500. So the answer will be children, you have to write fourth one. 1000 minus 500 equal to rupees 500. The total savings by Savita is rupees 500 more than that of Megha. Okay children. Now move to the next question. Fifth one. Whose savings in the month of April is the least? Least means children less, minimum. Okay. Whose saving is least children in the month of April? April means blue one. Okay. 600, 400, 400. Here what is there? 200 and here is 600. So whose saving is least children? Yes, Megha. Okay. So the answer will be children the savings of Megha is the least in the month of April. Okay children. This question and answers you have to copy in your maths notebook. Question number 2. The number of boys and girls in standard 5th to standard 8 in a ZP school is given in the table. Draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. Here children, scale is given. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 students. Here children, in the question scale is given, so we have to take this only the scale. If not given, we have to take according to our convenient. Okay children. Now standard 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Boys, girls. Boys is given children 34, 26, 21, 25. Girls 17, 14, 14, 20. Here children, up to here it is given in the question. Okay. Now one more column we have to add children, that is the total. Okay. We have to add boys and girls. These two total is children 51. Here children 26 plus 14 we get 40. 21 plus 14 we get 35. 25 plus 20 we get 45. Children, whenever we are drawing the subdivided bar graph, we have to add these two information. Okay children. Now we draw the graph. Now children, we draw the graph of question number 2. This horizontal line is children x axis and this vertical line is a y axis. Okay children, and here is the origin. Okay, for drawing this graph children, you have to use pencil. Okay, and neat and clean children. Overwriting is not allowed on the graph paper children. Okay, now here on x axis we have taken children standards. Here which standard is given? 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard. Okay children, the distance between the two graphs should be uniform. It means children equal. If you are leaving a 1 here children 1 centimeter column, then after the next also you have to leave only 1 centimeter column. Okay, the distance between the two should be equal. 1, 1, 1. Okay, if you are leaving a 2, 2, then you have to leave 2. But you have to leave only 1 children. Okay, now here on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, we have taken children 10 students because the scale is given in the question. So that only scale we have to take. Okay, 1 centimeter. This distance is children 1 centimeter equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay children. Now here children, number of boys or girls. Always remember children, when you are drawing the graph, if you have leaving the 2 lines from down, you have to leave 2 lines from a side. Leaving 2, 2 is enough children. Okay, it's look a good graph. Now, what is the 5th standard total children? We did in the question. Tell me. Okay, 51. So, here is the 50 children. 50 above, you count one more line. Okay, children. This small box, 1 centimeter box, children, it contains how many lines? 10 lines. So, here is 50. After that, take one more line, that is the 51. So, children, take 51 and draw the line. And your pencil should be pointed, children. Don't do over writing. Okay, 51. Now, children, how many boys of the 5th standard? 34. So, go on the 30, count 4 line, children. 31, 32, 33 and 34. So, at the 34, children, draw the line. Okay. Here, you can do this portion shade or you can draw the slant line, children. Your wish, you can use any symbol also. Okay. Now, next, what is the 6th standard total, children? Tell me. 40. Okay, exactly 40. So, go on the 40 and draw the bar, children. Here also draw. And boys of the 6th standard, how many boys? 26. So, here is the 20 children. Count 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, at the 6, we draw the line. And children, do the slant line here. Okay. Now, what is the total strength of the 7th standard children? 35. Okay. This is the 30. After that, count 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, here children, 35. So, 35. Okay. Boys of the 7th standard, how many boys? 21. So, go on the 20 and count one line. 21. And draw the slant line. Next, children, what is the total strength of the 8th standard? 45. Here is the 40 and here is the 45. So, draw the 45. And boys of the 8th standard, how many boys? 25 boys. 20 is here, children. After that, 25 is here. Draw the slant line. This way, children, you have to draw the graph. Graph should be very neat and clean and pencil should be pointed when you are drawing the bar graph, children. Okay, now last we see the scale, children. Here, scale. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 10 student. This shaded box is children boys and the blank, the white one is children girls. Question number 3. In the following table, number of saplings planted in the years 2016 and 17 in 4 towns is given. Show the data with the help of the subdivided bar graph. Here, children, by using this raw data, we have to draw the subdivided bar graph. Okay, children, these are the towns and these are the years, children. Okay, what the town's name is given? Karjat, Vadgaon, Shivapur, Khandala. 2016, how many saplings planted, children? 150. 250, 200, 100. And in year 2017, how many saplings planted in Karjat, children? 200, 300, 250, 150. Up to year, children, it is given in the question. Okay. After that, one more column we have to add, that is the total column, children. Okay. Now we have to do the total of these two. Okay, saplings. 150 plus 200, we get 350. 250 plus 300, we get, children, 550. 200 plus 250, we get 450. 100 plus 150, we get 250. Here, children, in this question, what is missing? Tell me, children. Okay, compared to the first question number 2. Yeah, scale is not given, children. So here scale is not given in the question. So we take children according to our convenient. So which scale we will take here children? We take 1 centimeter equal to 50, or we can take children 1 centimeter equal to 100. Okay. Now children, we draw the graph of question number 3. Here children, on x-axis town names we have written Karjat, Vadgaon, Shivapur, Khandala. On y-axis children, we have written number of saplings. Okay. Here we have taken children 1 centimeter equal to 50 saplings. Okay. Scale is not given. We can take children 100 also, or you can take 50 also. Here I have taken children 1 centimeter equal to 50 saplings. Okay. Now, what is the total of children? Karjat, what the total we have did children? 350, right? So, we go on 350 and we draw the bar children. 350. Now, 2016. What is the 2016 children? 150. So, here is the 150 children. Okay. Now, draw the lines, slant lines. You can shade also children. And this graph you have to draw by using pencil and scale. Okay children. Now, Vadgaon. What is the total of Vadgaon children? 550. So, where is the 550 children? Here 550. So, 550. Here draw a line. Now, 2016. What is the 2016 of Vadgaon children? 250 saplings. So, here 250 and draw the slant line. Okay. Now next, Shivapur. What is the total of Shivapur children? 450. So draw the 450 here. Now children, saplings of 2016. What is given children? 200. Okay. Now 200. Draw here slant lines. Now next children, last one, Khandala. What is the total of Khandala? 250. So 250 is here children. Draw the 250. Now saplings of 2016 of Khandala. What is given children? 100. So here is the 100. Draw the 100. Now draw slant line. Okay. Now we have completed the graph children, and whenever you are drawing the graph children, use pencil. Okay. Now see the scale children. Okay. Scale here children. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 50 saplings, and the shaded one children 2016, and the white one, blank one is children 2017. It means children, this portion is the saplings of 2016 and remaining portion is children saplings of 2017. Okay, the shaded, the slant line one is 2016 sapling and the blank one is saplings of 2017. Okay children. Question number 4, do yourself children, and practice set 11.3 is omitted.